Missouri leads the nation in Delta variant cases. Thank you for joining us here tonight. I'm Carolyn Long.
And I'm Brad Stevens. New data out of Springfield shows just how deadly this mutation can be. In the past few weeks, 17 people have died. The daily average of new cases is also on the rise. A few weeks ago, it was at 94. Now it's 139.
So we sent KCTV5 investigative reporter Angie Racono to Springfield to get a closer look at the situation.
It's really sad, and you can tell that the doctors here are frustrated. That wave of patients is only expected to grow. And remember, they're already hunting for ventilators and sending patients to Kansas City. Springfield hospitals are overwhelmed. Cox Medical struggles with staffing. Mercy Hospital is scrounging for ventilators. Both are shipping patients to other hospitals because they are so overwhelmed.
At this point, we're very stretched thin.
This daily COVID patient intake shows how quickly the situation has changed. The crisis is only expected to get worse.
We are having about 18 patients a day show up that need to be admitted. And next week, it looks like we'll have about 24 patients a day showing up that need to be admitted. And 2 weeks from now, it looks like we'll have about 27 patients a day showing up to be admitted.
We're beyond numbers that we saw.
Frustration is evident. Hospital leaders sum up the situation as scary.
When we look at our census, 115, about 85 of those patients right now are on some kind of mechanical ventilation support. And that's pretty scary.
Hours later, the numbers grew again. We have more than 120 people hospitalized for COVID-19, which is more than triple our COVID inpatient rate from last month and the highest rate since COVID began. We continue to see mostly people who have not been vaccinated. As of today, out of more than 120 hospitalized, only 3 are fully vaccinated. Doctors emphasize the solution is simple: get vaccinated. This is where Missouri struggles. The statewide vaccination average is below 40%. Springfield is 33.7%. Kansas City is a bit better at 37.4%. St. Louis is 43.6%. It's a sticking point for hospital staff who understood the December and January patients didn't have a choice. They do now.
I think it's a little harder now, and the vaccine is widely available. So I think that's making the morale on staff lower than what it was this winter.
96% of all cases across Missouri are now the Delta variant. A federal epidemiologist has been sent here to study the spread. Reporting in Springfield, Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.